What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. This is Smart Entry Forex, and we are back with another excited educational Forex video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the brokers that you should be using, and the pros and the cons, and the brokers you should not be using, and their cons, and maybe their pros, right? So if you're interested in this, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment and share it, and stick around for so many more videos, because we're gonna show you guys how to make money in the forex market the real way, without have to stress yourself and be broke, without have to stress the bank, and how to level up for 2020 and 2021. So coming right up. We have so much information out there about brokers, and every broker that is out there in the market is saying that they are the best, and they have low spread, as zero spread, tight spreads. But ask yourself the question, does these brokers really have tight spreads? These brokers, I don't think they have tight spreads like what they are saying. There are two brokers that I recommend, and I'm gonna leave the link in the bio, in the description. The reasons are they have good spread. They don't have tight spread, but they have good spread, better than every other broker that you are using. If you're not using the two brokers that I am gonna recommend, you need to change your broker and stick to the brokers what me I gonna recommend. To be honest, this is not affiliate link. I am not affiliated with them. I am not getting any commission. I'm not getting paid to say any of this. It's just the honest truth, and I have proof. I'm gonna bring up my phone with my MetaTrader 4, the app that we all use to trade, and I'm gonna show you and demonstrate why you have to choose your broker correctly. All right. So before I show you that, let us talk about the broker some more. So the first broker that is on my list that I recommend is IC Markets, right? And as you can see, IC Markets, they say they have 0 pips spread, right? Do you believe them or you don't believe them? It's all up to you, but I'm gonna tell you this: they have good spread. They have very, very low spread. If you're trading Euro USD, I think that is one of the best currency pair in the market of currency. If you're gonna trade that, trust me, you're gonna see that the lines, and to understand spread, by the way, you have to understand what are spread. And just let me just backtrack a little. Spreads are the distance between the buy line and the sell line. So whenever you buy or sell, you see that gap between blue line and that red line, that is the spread line. That is how far the spreads are. With IC market, you don't have that. You're not gonna see that, right? You're not gonna see that, especially when you're looking at that. When you're looking at it on a 30 minutes time frame or 1 hour, you're not going to see a space. If you're going to look at it on a 1 minute time frame, then you will see the space, and then you know how far the distance are. That is why I said you have to know about spreads, because these brokers keep saying that they have 0 spreads. 0 spreads to me that they are just together, right? However, if you press trade, you're going to be in profit in less than 10 seconds or 10 seconds, as long as the trade goes your way, right? For the other brokers, if you press trade, you're not going to be in profit. You're going to always end up in red. That is why majority of the time you guys are in negative, and you think that, oh, every time I enter a trade you have to go in negative. Wrong. 85% of my time I enter the trade, I am in profit. As I enter the trade, so I'm in profit whenever I'm using IC market and the broker and Tickmill. We're going to move to Tickmill in the next section, right? So still to IC market, they offer 1 to 500 leverage, right? And that is recommended. That is the highest your leverage should be. However, leverage, you have to understand what leverage means just the same, because I don't want you guys to set your leverage to 500 and then you can't enter the trade, and then you're gonna blame Smart Entry, because I'm gonna tell you that or 500 is the best leverage. But 500 is the recommended leverage, because when you're thinking about management of your money, 500, 300, 200, 100, those are the ideal spot for your leverage to be. So whenever your account drop to a certain point, your account won't get blow. You're gonna always have money leaving your account. That is all leverage mean. It means you level your account to a spot, like a gauge it, just like when you refill your car, right, with gas, and you don't want it to pass half. Every time it reach half, and you see it on the dashboard, you throw gas in it. That's all it mean. You level it, indicate said it now go pass this area. That's all. When you have a 1 to 1,000 leverage, the advantage of 1,000 to 1 leverage is that it allow you to trade like a $1 account, right? And you can grow it. Yes, that's a good thing. But here's the bad thing about it. If the price go against you, you're gonna blow. When you have a 500 to 1 account, every time when the price go against you and and it goes far against you, all it's gonna do is stop you out, and you're still gonna have money in your account. So you might still get a chance to trade again with a lower pair, like USD, JPY, right? Something like that, or some weird pairs where offer like some small money, some cents. Like, yeah. So these are the things you have to look for when thinking about a broker. Don't follow the news and don't follow the gossips and all of that about this broker is the best and blah 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 and all of that. Even though I'm telling you this, right? But I want you to do your research before even looking at IC market. And the display image that I'm going to show you in a while is going to prove to you that I am 100% correct about what I'm saying. So the next broker that I recommend is no other than Tickmill. I did a review about Tickmill already. If you're interested, then I can do another review of a next broker. So all you need to do is just leave that comment down in the comment section, and then I will just review that broker for you. Alright, so in my last video that I did about Tickmill, I told you guys that I would do spreads and leverage and all of that. But in this video, I'm just gonna cover spreads in this video only. Not everything, not in depth, just the basic idea of what you should be looking for, right? Basically, how persons are saying about spreads and they recommend you to use this broker and all of that. You have to understand about spreads, as I said. So the two broker that I recommend is Tickmill and IC Markets. Reason being, the difference between the buy price and the sell price, they are very close, and that is ideal if you are trading, right? However, you have, as I said, they have disadvantages of these, because these good brokers, these regulated good brokers, they don't want you to deposit like $5 and trade. They want you to deposit $100, so you can have a lot of money, and then you can level your money to a certain level where you don't get broke. Because the main thing about Forex is to earn, not to get broke, to level up. So if you're gonna deposit money in your broker all the time, because every time you enter the market you blow your account because price go against you and you zero the account, that don't make no sense. You must can level your account. You get a warning, say your account is about to blow, right? And then it blow upon a certain pair, and then you have the opportunity to trade again in the future upon a lower currency pair. That's all. And as you can see on the chart right here, Tickmill allow you to get good spread based off of the type of currency. Tell you which currency give you a better spread. And you can go to the chart. You can go to this chart right now for the Forex, and you can see all the spread. Typical spread which you're gonna look for is the distance between the buy price and the sell price. And just to clear that up, I saw something here. And I guess this, the difference between the ask price and the sell price, or the buy and the sell price. That's all. That is spread, right? So at for IC market and tick mill have good spreads. Correct? So guys, I want you to do your research. Just do your research. Let's move on to broker number 2, which we're gonna move to like one of the most popular broker everybody I use, which is XM Global. As I said again, none of these brokers are not paying me a dime. None of these brokers didn't sponsor this video. I am talking of my own knowledge and experience and all of that. So I'm just gonna show you guys that we are not lying. So before I bring up the image of what I will show you, I will definitely let you understand this 100% clear. Again, XM Global, right? Popular, yes, and a lot of person using it because it give you 30%, $130 bonus for start with, one welcome bonus, and all of that. Tick Mill give you a welcome bonus too, and them allow you to grow that bonus, and you can level it up and then collect your profit. XM Global give you that too, right? But here's the difference. As I said, XM Global don't have good spreads. Do not have good spreads, no matter what nobody want tell me. First of all, in leverage, they are 1-to-1 800. And as me tell you before, leverage is very important because you don't want to deposit your money and you go broke. If you deposit your money and if you go deposit money each and every time you have to enter one trade, it don't make no sense. The only time if you deposit money, or if you draw out all of the money and you decide you go deposit back the money, that's all. But other than that, you know, if you deposit money, if you deposit the money at least 4 times or 5 times in our broker account, that's it. Don't follow the crowd. Listen to your boy. I'm not gonna tell any lie. I'm being very transparent and honest here. First of all, I'm not selling anything, right? You're not gonna pay me for anything, so you must know, say I'm speaking the truth. All right? Me not look not neither. Me just want to know like the video and comment, and that's all. Okay. All right. So XM Global is the other, and let us dive right into the demonstration era because we want you guys to understand this 100% clear now. We don't want you guys to think that we are here just talking and we're not going to show you proof. So let me just bring up what we're going to bring up. So I'll know all use. So this is my MetaTrader 4. First of all, this is my proof, right? I'm going to show you. I have so much accounts right here that I use. And the reason why I do this is because I need to understand what these brokers really have to offer. I have had Forex account 3 times and I have a demo account, right? I have, let me just, right? And I have a demo account. I have Tick Mill, I have IC Market, and I have FBS Real, and I don't really know what that is. I just try it anyway because that's who I am. I like to try new things. All right, this is what I'm talking about when it comes to spread. So let us go onto the first one, which is Hot Forex. All right, so Hot Forex, and this is a live account because we don't trade fake account around here, right? So we're gonna go on the chart. First thing, this is what I'm talking about. If you can see on the chart now, let me just get this sideways for you. All right. So let me get this sideways for you people. I want you guys to understand this 100% that I'm talking about. So right at this spot where my mouse is, right at this spot and right at this spot, that is the spread. That is the difference between the buy and the sell price. And this is on the 1 minute time frame. So you see how wide this line is? That is how many. On the 1 minute time frame, that is how far. If you place a trade, so if you place a trade right at this level, at this grid level right here, where my mouse is at going across, the red line would have to cross the broken lines for you to be in profit. However, if I should choose another broker, like for example, if I should choose like tick mill, right? Let's choose tick mill, and let's go into the same pair, right? Same pair, and look at this. You see the difference now between the buy line and the sell line. You see how close that is? That is what you call good spread. So whenever you press buy or sell, with tick mill you're gonna in profit instantly, 85% of the time. As long as the trade is going into your direction, you will be into profit, 100%, as I said. So there's no doubt, there's no going around. You guys have to be smart. So think about what I'm saying and rethink about your broker. And remember, none of these brokers are paying me. I am doing this on behalf of myself because I want to educate you guys, to help you guys to level up. Let's move on to the next broker, which is XM Global. We're going to look at the same pair, USD JPY. As you can see, whenever I rotate the device, look at the spread again. It's so wide. You can't trade on these, people. You cannot trade on this. You can trade and earn, you know. You can trade and earn. But these are not good brokers to trade on. You're going to always end up in the negative. That's why I keep on hearing you guys saying that, oh, whenever you enter the market, whenever you enter a trade, you're going to end up in negative. Wrong. You don't have to end up in negative. Right? Let me go on to the next broker, which is IC Market. Same pair, same currency. Look at that. Just give it a time. It's soon close. Look at this. You see that? Close. Just to show you how good these brokers are. Same time frame, same everything. So, and that is the difference between. Right now, if I place a trade right now, I'm in profit. 100% in profit. I don't have to even wait, but I'm just going to be in profit. So, guys, you have to choose your broker the right way. And as I said, these are live account. These are my real account. If I go on them, show you these are my real account. They are not fake, right? I can trade. They're not demo, right? They're not demo. I can show you the results. These are results. All of these are results. I lose, and I gain, and that's it. That's for XM Global. For IC Market, I just started IC Market, and it seems like IC Market is gonna be here to stay forever. For Tick Mill, trust me, very, very good brokers, guys. Tick Mill and IC Market, I recommend them 100%. Right? So, I hope you really understand what I'm saying when it comes to broker and spreads. And if you guys have questions, you always can follow me on Instagram, Smart Entry Forex. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. And you can text me, you can ask me any question over there. You can always comment down below. And remember, guys, to always share the video, ensure you like, and stay in tune for part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll meet again. And remember, guys, you can always follow me for ideas on Smart Entry, Forex, and trendingview.com. And you can just type in Smart Entry Forex and you'll get good ideas when it's trading time. So I don't sell signal and I don't sell courses. However, I normally just line up the chart and just share them to the world. I'm not selling the signals and I'm not selling in the courses. But if you're lucky enough, and if we are lucky enough and the market goes into the direction that we want it to go when I analyze the chart, then we are in profit, right? So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, and I'm out.